See, the first element is hydrogen. Atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Observe the distribution. We know there are 4 shells, K, L, M, N. So the maximum capacity of K is 2. It can accommodate only 2 electrons. But hydrogen has only 1. So observe the structure of hydrogen. It has only 1 electron in the K shell, but it can accommodate 2 electrons. So to satisfy the combining capacity, it needs only 1 electron. The valency of hydrogen is 1. The maximum capacity is 2. Hydrogen has 1 electron. If it combines with 1 more, it will be satisfied. Therefore, valency of the hydrogen is 1. Observe the second element. Second one is helium. Atomic number is 2. Observe the K shell. It is 2. So it is satisfied. The maximum capacity of K shell is 2 electrons and helium has 2. Therefore, 2 minus 2, it is 0. So it is satisfied. Helium is completely satisfied. Observe the third element. Third element is lithium. Atomic number is 3. If you distribute K shell 2, L shell 1. But we know the maximum capacity of L is 8 electrons. The maximum capacity of L is 8 electrons. So 8 rupee minus 1, 7. So lithium has to take 7 electrons. To reach the satisfied state, lithium has to take 7 electrons. But instead of taking 7 electrons, it will leave this extra electron. If it leaves extra 1 electron, the valency is 1. Observe the fourth one, beryllium. The atomic number of beryllium is 4. So K shell 2 electrons, L shell 2 electrons. But we know the maximum capacity of L is 8. 8 minus 2, it is 6. Beryllium has to take 6 electrons. It requires more energy. Therefore, it leaves 2 electrons. Therefore, the valency is 2. Beryllium has to take 6 electrons. It requires more energy. Instead of taking 6 electrons, it leaves the 2 electrons. It donates 2 electrons. Therefore, the valency is 2. Observe the next one, boron. Atomic number of boron is 5. In K shell, 2 electrons. In L shell, 3 electrons. We know the maximum capacity of L is 8. So 8 rupee minus 3, 5. Boron, to reach the satisfied state, it has to take 5 electrons. 5 means energy level will be more. So it donates 3. Instead of taking 5 electrons, it leaves 3. Therefore, the valency is 3. Observe the carbon. The atomic number of carbon is 6. So K shell 2 electrons, L shell 4 electrons. But we know maximum capacity of L is 8. So 8 rupee minus 4 rupees 4. Here, if it takes also 4 electron, donates also 4 electron. So the valency is 4. Observe the nitrogen. The atomic number of nitrogen is 7. Distribute first shell 2, last shell 5. The maximum capacity of L is 8. 8 rupee minus 5 rupees 3. Only 3 electrons. So it will take 3 electrons. So the valency of nitrogen is 3. Aishwarya, explain oxygen. Atomic number of oxygen is 8. Here you can see the K shell 2, L shell 6. So 8 minus 6. So the valency is 2. Correct, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you explain fluorine?
Ma'am, so in the L shell, we have 7 electrons. So 7 8 minus 7 will be 1, so it will be 1 valency.
Correct. So neon, you can see neon, the atomic number is 10. So the distribution is 2 and 8. It is octet. It is satisfied. Therefore, the valency is 0. Inactive element. Observe the sodium. The atomic number of sodium is 11. So distribute 2 into K shell, 8 into L shell, 1. So again, same thing. Maximum capacity of M is 16. But here, it has to take, for example, if you consider only the first one, 8 electrons, it has to take 7. Instead of taking 7, it will leave that 1. Therefore, the valency of sodium is 1. It removes this extra electron, therefore, the valency of sodium is 1. Can you explain magnesium? Atomic number is 12. You can see the distribution.
Yes, mom. So instead of getting um, more six atoms, it will give away 2 atoms.
Exactly. Good. So first is K 2 electrons, L 8 electrons satisfied. But M 2, 8 minus 2 is 6. It has to take 6. So instead of taking 6 electrons, it donates 2. Therefore, the valency of magnesium is 2. And observe the aluminium. The atomic number is 13 and the distribution is 2, 8 and 3. Here also same thing. 8 minus 3 is 5. It has to take 5. So instead of taking 5, it donates 3. Therefore, the valency of aluminium is 3. Okay, last one. Explain silicon, Aishwarya. Atomic number is 14.
Yes, mom. Mom, so instead of taking 4 extra atoms, it just gives away 4.
Yes. So here actually 8 minus 4 is 4 only. To donate also 4, to take also 4. So the valency is 4.
Yes, mom.
So this is about the valency. So here you can see the outermost shell. So the electrons present in the outermost shell is the valence electron.